Welcome. Today, we explore Android 17. This update transforms the smartphone experience, shifting devices from manual tools to autonomous agents. This evolution is set to drive the next wave of hardware innovation. Observe the shift in how we handle processes. While legacy systems relied on manual app switching and user-managed windows, Android 17 introduces autonomous agents that handle multi-step workflows in the background for a zero-friction experience. Gemini Intelligence now acts as the centerpiece of Android 17. It connects your applications and performs complex workflows on your behalf, eliminating the need to manually switch between apps to complete a task. Let us observe a cross-app workflow. When you open a browser tab for a destination, Gemini parses that information, automatically locates parking options, and prepares the booking in your parking app. You simply confirm with one tap. Practical applications drive your daily engagement. Gemini can scan a school syllabus in an email and add those textbooks directly to a shopping cart, or turn a simple grocery list into a one-tap checkout, bridging the gap between intent and purchase. How does this work? It relies on app functions and the Android MCP. The Android MCP allows the AI to securely discover and use unique tools within different apps, ensuring a reliable ecosystem for users. Android 17 builds a proactive system that adapts to both the user and the hardware. As you open a foldable device, the system delivers an anticipatory experience with a layout that adapts perfectly to the form factor. We are also empowering developers to support new hardware. By integrating AI tools directly into Android Studio, the XML to Compose migration skill automatically converts legacy app layouts into modern, adaptive Jetpack Compose code. Adaptability also happens on the fly. With the Create My Widget feature, you can ask the AI in plain language to build exactly what you need, such as a marathon countdown or a daily briefing, and the system generates it instantly. In conclusion, Android 17 unites cross-app workflows, hardware adaptability, and on-the-fly widgets. It creates a proactive ecosystem where your phone acts as an intelligent agent working for you, driving significant new value.